Find or read reviews that people are talking about Fulsren 12 pod, hydroponic indoor garden system with LED grow light. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Smart watering, low maintenance. The hydroponic growing system has a spacious 4 liters tank for about 3 to 4 weeks of water supply with only one fill. Your plants can thrive without 24/7 attention, which is perfect for beginners, travelers for long journey or occasionally forgetful ones. Embrace easy planting and bountiful harvests effortlessly by choosing our newest herb garden growing system. Digital show control, growth promoting lamp. Fulsren indoor garden with 3 types of light for different growing period needs, the full spectrum LED lights to simulate sunlight and accelerate photosynthesis. Triggering growth up to 5 times faster than traditional soil and effectively controlling the growing cycle. Stay away from bad weather to get optimal growing conditions in low-light apartments, making preferred plants ready to grow. Easy harvesting fresh fruits and herbs, purify indoor room air. Get more cultivation space and varieties. Our indoor grow kit offers an impressive offering of 12 growing stations, beyond the usual 4 to 6, flexible and convenient enough to grow more plants. Comes with 1 indoor herb garden, 1 AC/DC adapter, 1 instruction manual, 2 solid nutrients, 12 planting sponges, 12 growing domes and 12 planting baskets, complete indoor growing kit. Perfect for gardening enthusiasts. Self-circulating, energy-saving. Herb garden grow room is built in with a power auto-circulating pump that provides a steady flow of water to optimize nutrient and oxygen delivery to the root system for more vigorous growth. Helping plants grow up to 3 times faster than they would in the soil without disturbing your daily routine life and with low noise levels. Simply press the pump button, 30-minute active sprint followed by 30-minute energy-saving pause to maximize efficiency. Adjustable stand. Perfect gift. Indoor gardening system with adjustable height up to 20 inches, allowing customized heights and providing plenty of space for vigorous growth. With Fulsren plant germination kit, super easy to cultivate both decorative and practical plants at home, such as basil, tomato pepper, lettuce, ideal gift for women, moms, and parents. Also suitable for kids who can have fun and educational experience by watching the growing process every day. Enjoy your hydroponics. If you want to get full highlight features and /or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.